Biodiversity is a remarkably important part of our being human, right? I mean, biodiversity is the grass around us, the trees, the plants, the animals, and knowing about biodiversity is essential for our own health and our planet's health. The biosphere produces things that we need. It produces food and fiber and fuel and feed, and all those things are really important for our continued existence. So how do we know about it? How do we have a clear idea about where things are on the planet, what they do? And that's where museum collections are so important. They provide the baseline for the knowledge about basically this green earth that we live on.
So museums are a library of biodiversity. They have all of what we know about nature and natural history and organismal distributions all in one place. And the most important aspect about natural history collections is they're a place where students and researchers can get inspired and can learn from people who've gone before and be inspired by the diversity of life and all the opportunities that diversity provides for understanding the past, the present, and the future.
Imagine a specimen that's a bird or a plant or an insect. This is sort of a window into the history of a particular place. Through that specimen, we can access a particular place and its environment at a particular time in history. It may be 10 years ago, it may be last week, it may be a century ago. But there's so much biology in that individual specimen. We can look at its size, its shape, its color. We can look at its DNA. We can look at the chemistry in its feathers, its skin, or its hair, or the leaves. We can look at isotopes. We can look at many different reflections of the environment in that one specimen. It's sort of like a time machine. We can essentially go back in time and reconstruct environmental history. And of course, that allows us to better calibrate what we're doing to our environment now with the way the environment was in the past.